Hey everyone, it's Steel from the S Forums. Just a quick video on this golden motor. I just opened it up just to have a look at the inside. There you go. So just wanted to kind of explain how this motor works. Some people have used it and said that, I guess it's not as efficient as some other motors out there, but I think it's alright for what it is. Just kind of explain. So there's like a center axle here, and you'll see like a metal disc kind of there, which has the magnets glued to it. Let's see if I can show you. You'll be able to see a little bit. So the magnets are glued to that steel rotor, and obviously this stays center with the bearing. And I guess this is the stator, and you got your coils running through there. Quite a bit of coil. I mean, I don't know what gauge that is. Probably like, 20 gauge, maybe. I'm not sure how many wires in there. Maybe about 20 wires or so at least. And yeah, so I mean the windings look pretty nice, and it runs to a nice 8 gauge wire which comes out there. And then the cooling, so there's not a lot of, but for the people that have had this motor said that it cools poorly, but I think this one doesn't cool that bad at all. So this flat plate is supported to the water cooling cover, which is right here. So this cover here acts as two things. So first of all, it cools the motor, because this has thermal paste and it cools directly to here. And the water runs through it, and there's the water cooling jackets, of course. So that stays nice and ice cold when it's going to be running on my boat motor. And these 4 holes here. So this plate, not only does it cool the motor, but it also aligns the stator, so it's perfectly center and straight, and it's also the correct distance from the magnets. So it actually pulls out the whole stator, like maybe less than 1/4 inch. And this whole center part's locked in with a lock ring on the other side, so it can't come out or move. So it stays perfectly positioned, and the magnets grab against the stator. So these screw holes have to be the perfect distance as well, just so that it doesn't bottom out, because it'll bottom out if they're too long. So let's say you want to mount something to the back of this, you got to make sure that the screw holes stay nice and tight. The screws stay nice and tight. This is what it comes with here. So I'm not sure how long that is. I'd say about maybe 1.5 inches. And that's pretty much it. So overall, I think it's a good design for what it is. And I think it's going to cool very well. Some people have said it's not. I think this will cool much better than the 10 kilowatt version, just because of the fact that this coils directly to this cover, whereas in the 10 kilowatt, I'm pretty sure it's 2 coils, again, to the same one plate. So it's going to it's going to generate more heat because it's going to pull more current, but this motor does cool better in my opinion. So that's my quick overview of it. That's my adapter for so I can't really turn this, but I welded it all, and that's what I'm going to be using to turn the bottom end of my boat motor. 7/16 shaft with a 7/16 coupler, and then this is welded as straight as I can get it onto here. Very limited on space, just the way I designed it to mount to my boat motor. That's pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.